I am Risiyas Farsa from Farsa Buildesign, based in Malappuram, Kerala. Today I would like to discuss our project Dr. Rahoof, which is plot area of 700 square meter located in Kerala, God's own country. The site is 700 square meter and the front side is almost 23 meters wide and back side is 16 meters wide and the 38 meters length. And the north is into the right side of the plot. The right side and left side have the relatives of the clients itself. And the site is slightly congested, so we want to provide privacies in external areas. In this site, there is not have natural trees, only have 2 or 3 coconut trees. So we want to provide more plants. From the landscape, we are entering to the landscape step with the small pond of Lapatro granite finish and also with a center plant in the landscape step. From the landscape step, we are entering to the sit out and we want to give more privacy to the sit out. So we provide it in the behind of the landscape step. And the sit out is screened by the plants and exposed room in the designs we give. From the sit out, we are entering to the dining room with a classy look. From the dining room to formal living. The both dining and living is faced into the landscape step and the pond in the landscape step. From here, we are entering to the family living space. It starts from dining area with the TV unit. From this area, we can connect sit-outs and back patio with the sliding folding wooden glass doors. And the family living is the central area of the house that is connect whole part. And we provide the stereo in family living itself. And the kitchen is connects from the family living. And it's a modular kitchen with a breakfast table. It is situated in the northwest area of the residence. The kitchen have a great view to the patio also. And we have a master bedroom in ground floor in the southeast portion with the large view of landscape with glass partitions with shutter system. In this bedroom, we have a attached bathroom also. In the ground floor, we have a guest bedroom. It's provide a minimal design on that. In the family living, the stairs starts and in the upper area, we provide a small sitting area for reading or studying with a great pleasant view of the landscape. The master bedroom on the first floor for the doctor's elder son with a beautiful balcony. The bedroom is located in the northwest side of the residence. We have a large bathroom in this and the bedroom have great view of nature. We have 4th bedroom in the first floor that is also in the minimal design. In this house, we provide all customized furnitures. All are done by plywood and vinyl finish. And the wall pattern in dining hall is done by multi-wood. For the most part, we provide a path light in the ceiling with the plywood path and profile lighting. And the staircase is made with RCC structure and provide a wooden flooring with steel handrail with wooden handle. Windows is the main part of our design. Full glass for the lighting and the ventilation we provided wooden shutter system. Some areas we provide the sliding folding method and sliding method for the opening. And we provide many type of floorings in sit-out patios, landscape step, all are the black Lapatro. In the dining common area and other common areas completely Italian marble tile. In the bedrooms, we have provide the wooden finished tile. Open balcony in the first floor, we provide the mud tiles. And the kitchen is worked with multi-wood and mica finish. The major role of the design is minimalism and the other one is glass and shutter for the lighting and ventilation. So we can provide the plenty of light inside the house. The landscape step is the one of the great space in the project and the materials is playing a large role in this space.